Hot news! This is the hangar-type shot blasting machine designed and manufactured by Rotec Vietnam Company for a large enterprise in Long An Province, Vietnam. It has been successfully handed over and accepted today, 18 of April. The hangar-type shot blasting machine has been a strength of Rotec Vietnam for many years. The machine has the following main technical parameters. Model RSH 2.11. Numbers of blasting turbines 2. Power of each turbine 11 kW. Cleaning area 1200 by 1200 mm. Power of hangar engines 0.75 kilowatts. The hangar-type shot blasting machine is the most versatile machine using Rotec centrifugal technology. The hangar-type shot blasting machine used for descaling, paint removing, roughening, and surface restoring in the metalworking industry. Customers who are interested in the machine, please quickly contact us for advice and service 24/7 with many preferential policies in payment and warranty. Rotec Vietnam Company, Limited, Head Office Address, Room 311, B15, Unit B, Dai Kim Urban Area, Hoang Mai District, Hanoi Capital. Southern Branch, Lot E17, Valencia Riverside, No. 1000 Nguyen Duy Trinh, 2 Duke City, Ho Chi Minh City.